Hey, it's Tony talking CarBiz. In this video, I want to give you a lighting solution when using your GoPro Hero 7, 8, or 9, makes no difference. This happens to be a 9. But the tip that I want to provide you with helps with doing interior videos. So one of the things I found when I'm going inside of a car, lighting is a challenge, not so much up on the dashboard in that area, but when I dive down to the center console or the glove box or trying to show the floorboards or anything in the lower part of the car, tends to be a problem with lighting. And so one of the solutions I came up with was a couple of things. I've got these little shorty kind of selfie sticks, if you will, and on one end is a 1/4-20 male, on the other end is a 1/4-20 female. Now this one's aluminum, solid aluminum, so it's got some weight to it. I like to have a little bit of weight, but there's a lot of different types of these on the market you can pick up off of the Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of a couple options. So I've got this. This is about a 3-inch piece, and I screwed it right onto the bottom of my GoPro mount. So I guess I should point out that this is an aluminum mount that I mount my GoPro to, and it's got a female 1/4-20 mount right there, so I can quickly switch it between different devices. Versus the GoPro clip, it's a little bit more challenging. So I like these aluminum clips. I'll put a link to this in the description as well. You can get like 2 of these for like $6. So I leave that on there permanently, and then I could switch out selfie sticks and tripods and that type of thing. So once I've got that on there, it's about the size of my hand, and I've got some smaller hands. There's a little bit of weight here, and I like that. It helps me keep my shots steadier. But then the lighting solution are these little LED lithium ion panels. So you can see these are about or a little bit smaller than the actual GoPro. And the good thing about these is they are rechargeable, and they're pretty darn bright, right? There's just a little switch right here on the end, so you can just plug them in with a USB, charge them up. It takes about 20 minutes to charge them. They last about 30 minutes on a full charge. There's no dimmer switch or anything, it's just one light. But then what I did was I took these and I mounted on the bottom of the GoPro selfie stick. So I just screw that in like so, tighten it down, and then these little panels, I can slide them around, spin them around, and adjust them up and down however I like. So I'll go ahead and move that one down like so. So if I'm going down to the floorboards or down to the center console, I can direct this light however I want, and then if I want to turn it off for a second, I just put my hand over it and it shuts it out, and then I can pull my hand off, or I can adjust the lighting with my hand, or I can articulate it to whatever angle I want as I'm doing that. And one of the things I found when going in a car, it helps to have a smaller device, so you're not bumping into shift levers and brake levers and those types of things. So just to be able to go in with one hand and have the lighting and the LED panels on the bottom like so, I can go ahead and just turn it off when I need to shut down that light. So that's my lighting tip for doing the inside of the vehicle, particularly if you're using a GoPro, and any GoPro will work with this. You just need these 3 different items, and I'll put a link to those in the description. Hope you found this video helpful. This is Tony talking CarBiz. Thanks for watching.